Hello guys, HerkimerAtRandom here. Good evening. HerkimerAtRandom at youtube.com. If you guys like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for all notifications so you know when I post a video, or just click down on the bottom right hand corner of your screen and press my face there and bring up the subscribe button. So all I'm going to do tonight, guys, is make some ginger cookies here. As you can see, these are some of the ingredients you'll need, but what I'm going to do, I'm not going to just show everything in here at the time, so I got a small space to work with. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients you're going to need. You see, I already got some of the stuff together in there just a little bit. So you got you're gonna need some molasses. You need some cloves. You need some ginger. You can grind your cloves up too if you want to. Some egg, and then you're gonna need some flour and sugar also. And then also you're gonna need some cinnamon. All right, there's the cinnamon. So cinnamon, some ginger, cloves, some molasses, some eggs. And also you need some baking soda just for leavening agent, you know. All right, most of you guys should have that in your cupboards. If not, if you don't have it, that's okay. You know, just skip it won't hurt it too much, but it helps leaven it out. Kind of like raises it like bread. So these are supposed to be soft gingerbread cookies. So that's what we're going to try to do here and attempt here. So let's see how it comes out. I'll be back with you guys shortly, and we'll continue from there. All right, talk to you soon. Oh, so this takes about 20 minutes at the most, but the prep time is going to take 10 minutes, but it may take longer depending on how fast you move. I don't move too fast, so. And before you do this, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, all right? And have your cookie sheet ready. And a clean rack if you have one, if you work in a bakery or whatever, but however you guys want to do that. All right, be back soon. Talk to you shortly. All right, guys, we've got our ingredients mixed here together. Getting ready to go. Of course, you can do everything separately if you want to. Me, I'm just go against all the rules to put everything together. But I understand why you want to separate and stuff. But I'm just going to like this. So we're going to mix all together. This is going to be our dough for our cookies, and we'll see how it turns out. And hopefully it comes out all right. So these are going to be some ginger cookies, soft gingerbread cookies, I guess you could call it, or whatever. Soft cookies. Just call them soft ginger cookies. Soft ginger cookies. All right, guys. We'll be back shortly. Talk to you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got our dough here. We're going to roll these into about a 1-inch ball, so the size of a walnut, practically. What we're going to do when we roll into a ball, we're going to roll in some sugar over here in just a second. And then we're going to take a glass and just smash it down a little bit, and then go from there. This is supposed to make 24 cookies, so we'll see how that comes out. So 2 dozen cookies supposed to be. I might have more here than I think, but we'll see. All right, guys, be back to you shortly. And like I said, we'll see how this works. This says it only takes about 6 to 8 minutes to cook at 350, so I'll keep an eye on your oven when you put it in there. I don't want it to burn because I have a tendency to burn things sometimes, unfortunately. I don't mean to, but I do. All right, we'll be right back shortly. And hopefully this comes out and works okay. Talk to you soon. So you guys can see, get an idea what I'm doing here. I'm going to roll into about a 1-inch ball, or the size of a walnut, basically. All right. And that's what you're going to do. You're going to give them about 1 to 2 inches apart. It's probably more like 2 inches apart, hopefully. And then roll this in the sugar over here. It's hard to see. And there's my batter. So let's see if I can do one hand here for you and maybe do one. Probably not, but we'll give it a shot here. Let's see. Yeah, it's easier if you have 2 hands, but I think we can give it. What do you think? Maybe? Maybe not? Maybe not. I don't know if we can do this or not. Let's see. Yeah, it's easier with 2 hands. Here, we'll do this though. This will be our messed up one, just for fun. Maybe I can roll into a ball into here a little bit. There you go. That's a little better. Not perfect. Sorry, I'm off. There we go. We'll do that one. This will be our messed up one, just for the heck of it. All right. Then what I'm going to do basically is take a bottom of a glass and press down on these. So like I said, it makes about 24 cookies, so we'll see how this turns out. Talk to you soon, guys. I'll be right back. Alright guys, you can see I got these cookies smushed down. Basically just use the bottom of the glass, smush them down just a little bit, or however much you want to do it. Not too much, because then they're going to rise. I said you only need like a quarter of cloves in here. There's ground cloves too, but you got the whole cloves in here, so just be careful if you're going to eat these with the whole cloves. That might be a little crunchy bite in there. So we're going to put these into the oven here in just a second for about 6 to 8 minutes. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright, and I'll let you know how long. And then I'm going to put the recipe into the description. This is not my recipe, so I just got this recipe from a recipe site, so I'll show you guys in just a moment once they're all done. Alright, talk to you soon. Alright guys, got these in the oven. I think about 8 to 10 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on them closely. Always keep an eye on it because you don't want to burn them. So I'd watch them very closely. Just stay right by the oven or watch them every few minutes. It's an old oven, so it might take a little bit longer. As you can see, I put my stuff on a parchment paper, but you can also put it on a cookie rack too if you have like one that can go inside the oven. Also, or a non-stick rack or something like that. But anyways, we'll see how these look in just a little bit. Talk to you soon again. Alright, hope you guys are enjoying this video. And if you like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for notifications, or click down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, click on my face, and I'll bring up the subscribe button. Tell your friends about me and share my videos. Appreciate it. I'd love to get more subscribers. I'm up to 136 now, so appreciate it. You keep on bringing them. I appreciate all the people that come and watch. There's a variety channel, so you'll see all kinds of different things on here. I just posted a preview of Midland X-Talker radios for the family radio service. I'll be doing more on that later. Not today, but maybe tomorrow or next day or two. Alright, and also GMRS, which is the General Motor Radio Service, which you can get a license for and don't have to take a test for, and I'll talk about a little bit about that. Talk to you soon. Alright guys, these are getting there. As you can see, they're starting to rise up a little bit and starting to get a little bit golden brown. They're not done yet, but they'll be here shortly. So, like I said, keep a close eye on these because you don't want them to burn. And if you put these on parchment paper, cookies and stuff, I find out it's easier to take them off. Much easier. Alright guys, talk to you soon. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Like I said, you gotta watch these closely because they will cook fast. 8 to 10 minutes at the most. So I just took these out of the oven. I haven't looked at the backside yet. Let's see how these are soft. Oh yeah, see, they're about ready to start to burn pretty quickly there if you don't pay attention to that. These are going to be soft cookies. Very soft. Alright. Yeah, see how it started to burn there? Yeah. So we got to get them out quickly. So, get them out fairly quickly, but watch them closely. I just seen on one of those cookies there, kind of burnt, unfortunately. And these are very soft. So, that one obviously got burnt. On the edge. I could smell it actually. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, try not to burn them like I did. Like I said, I burn stuff sometimes. I try not to. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this videos. These are gingerbread cookies. And I hope you guys had a great day. And they are very soft still. So some came out alright. They came in a lot worse. Yeah, see, I was getting. So just be careful when you put them down and watch them closely. It probably took no more than, I probably should wait just only like 7 minutes at the most. About 350. Well, this is HerkimerAtRandom at YouTube.com. If you like my channel, like, subscribe, press that bell button for all notifications. Or click on my little face down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen and I'll bring up the subscribe button and then subscribe that way. And tell your friends about me and come watch my channel. I have different variety of things that I do. This variety channel type, I try to keep it entertaining the best I can. So once in a while, I'm starting to do some live streams, which I've been practicing. So look for some live streams and stuff. I'd like to chat with you guys, see what you guys are doing out there, where are you at, where are you from, any other countries or things like that. Alright guys, HerkimerAtRandom at YouTube.com. Like, subscribe, share, click that bell button for all notifications. You guys have a great night, and see you next video. Talk to you later. Or I'll see you next live stream. That would be better. Goodbye.